What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cloud back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be a short, quick, brief explanation on the top 3 clothing brands for reselling in 2024/2025. We're going to review Chrome Hearts first. And this is actually going to be a brand that I don't recommend reselling. Certain brands like this, Bape, clothing from Gucci or Louis Vuitton, those high fashion designer brands with high cost, I feel like those aren't the best brands as far as when you start off with reselling, strictly because the consumer market for those isn't comfortable with purchasing those clothes from other sellers besides the direct websites, the designers themselves. When we look at clothing brands like Spider and Hellstar, we know that these brands are mainly Instagram ran, meaning that they have a lot of ads posted on Instagram, TikTok, and they're promoted through these forms of fashion. Now, if we look at a brand like Hellstar, we know that with DHgate prices and DHgate links and valid vendors, we can get clothing, good quality clothing, 1-to-1 to be exact, for cheap. If I was to buy this Hellstar shirt right here for $35, I could sell it at $150. Whereas if I was to purchase this Chrome Hearts hoodie right here for $45, I could sell it for more profit than the Hellstar shirt, obviously. But the chances of me being able to sell this hoodie to someone that's 1-to-1 and they still pay above $500 or even above $150 are very, very slim. So with Hellstar, we have minimized profit margins, but that makes the transaction more comfortable for the seller and the buyer. So obviously, since I've been talking about it, Hellstar is one of the 3 brands. Spider is the second brand I recommend. This is not in direct order for the top 3 brands, but these are just the 3 brands. So Spider, Hellstar, as we see right here, you have a link to purchase a full set for $42, and you can sell it, anywhere between $42 to about $300. The last and final brand that I recommend reselling in late 2024 to 2025 in order to maximize profit and feel comfortable with transactions is Essentials. Now, if you all do know, Essentials has mainly been around for about 5 years as far as when it blew up. Essentials is another great brand that keeps sales comfortable and minimize profits, but you can maximize how many sales you have. With this being said, once again, my top 3 brands to sell at the end of 2024 and going into 2025 would be Essentials, Hellstar, and finally, Spider. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more content about reselling and how to maximize profits in 2025. Thank you for watching.